Hi, I'm Greg. I'm from Windsor, Ontario. We're just putting the Ninja pressure cooker to the test today. And right now we're working on some biscuits and gravy. So first thing I'm doing right now is I'm just frying up the sausage on the sear setting right now. It's doing a very good job at this point. We'll be adding some other ingredients as we go along. All right, so now we're at the point where I've cooked the biscuits or the sausage up, and now I've added the milk and it's thickened up now. So now what we're going to do is we are going to add the biscuits and the eggs on the top, and we'll cook it up and we'll see what it turns out like. All right, so now the biscuits are in, the eggs are in. I've switched it over from the saute setting to the roast setting, letting it sit for 15 minutes, and in about 15 minutes I'll come back and we'll see what it looks like when it's done. Alright, so it's been 15 minutes, and gotta admit I'm a little disappointed. They look like they got a little bit overdone on the top, but I think if we take the time down a little bit, it would probably be a lot better. Overall, I'd say this is a very good product. It seems to be working very well, and I think I would recommend this for people with families and stuff like that, because we've done a few different recipes and they've turned out fairly well so far, other than this one. Alright, thanks.